African's badass. What's that, about $170?
Yeah, this is a $170 haircut right here.
Give me 10% off that.
What's up, YouTube? So today I wanted to do this incredibly easy design, but first I want to say thank you very much for taking a few minutes out of your day to watch this video. And if you guys would hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button, I would really appreciate it. But as you can see, this design is fast and easy. It is incredibly easy. This is probably going to be one of the easiest designs that you'll ever do. Honestly, I'm for real, not joking at all. It's literally a 3-step design. That is how easy it is. And it is the easiest $15, at least $15 extra that you can add on to the price of a haircut. So me personally, I charge $25 for a haircut. Plus the design, which is $15, I get to make $40 at least off of this design. So to get started, we're just gonna do a top line and a bottom line. And I'll shorten it down a bit to a 1.5. I think that's a pretty good length for designs with dark hair and light skin. And then we're just gonna do the inverted L's into each other. So we're gonna do like a top L. You can see that side line and the top line. And then you're gonna do a bottom L with the bottom line and the side line again. And that's how easy it is. Honestly, incredibly easy design. They're just like L's inverted to each other. So you got 3 steps, which is those top 2 lines, and the last step is those L's. Incredibly easy design. Honestly, it is not that hard at all. This is going to be a great design for you guys to add to your arsenal. It looks great. The pattern is simple and it looks amazing. People love this design. And to make it look better, we're going to add the razor blade to it. This is going to make it pop more. So right here, we're using the detailed Barber's blade holder. I got it in red, white, and black also, not just blue. But I like the blue one. And so yeah, we're just going to put the blade in it. And I edit the video, so you're not going to see me put the blade in the whole thing. But I do put it in the whole thing. I put it in the whole thing already pretty much. And yeah, this design is incredibly easy. I think it looks great on skin fades. This design is a very good and easy design. And if you even add like a melting design to it, like you're gonna see right here, then you can charge more. So this design specifically is the price of 2 haircuts. The melting Versace design is $25 plus the haircut, another $25. That's a $50 design right there. And as you can see, it's gonna look great, especially on skin fades. This design always looks good. It's never gonna look bad. So yeah, on skin fades, I like the way it looks on the back of the head when it's all bald in the back and you leave behind the design. I think that looks dope. So if you guys like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you want to do more detailed designs, check out the hair design stencil. This is the best way of doing designs. You can just draw the design before you actually start balding. And if you don't like what you drew, it comes off with aftershave. It removes, it comes off. It's not meant to stay on, but some barbers that are buying my product are leaving it on there, and that's fine. It just gives it a very cool black outline, I think. So yeah, this is gonna be a great way for you to do designs, and you'll avoid making mistakes too. So you're just gonna be able to blueprint the design and avoid making mistakes. So yeah, hit me up on Instagram, follow me there. If you guys have any questions, I'll reply to them all. Subscribe for more. And again, thank you guys for taking the time to be here.